Welcome to this presentation on how to prove basic proportionality theorem using an activity. Basic proportionality theorem is also called as Thales theorem. The statement of basic proportionality theorem is a line drawn parallel to a side in a triangle to intersect the other two sides at distinct points will divide the two sides in the same ratio. Here we have a triangle ABC and a line DE parallel to side BC, intersecting AB at D and AC at E. We have to prove that AD by DB equal to AE by EC, one of the ratios, or it could be AD by AB equal to AE by AC, or otherwise dB by AB equal to EC by AC. Here we are going to prove the ratio AD by DB equal to AE by EC. For this purpose, we are going to take three cases. One, an acute angle triangle. Two, a right angle triangle. And the third one, an obtuse angle triangle. And the process through which we are going to do the activity is cutting triangles from color paper and pasting it onto ruled paper. The reason why we paste it onto ruled paper is to make it convenient for us to draw parallel lines. So first cut out a triangle, place the triangle on the ruled paper such that the base of the triangle rests on one of the lines of the ruled paper. Cut out a triangle and paste the triangle such that the base of the triangle lies on one of the ruled lines. Now use any terminal of the other lines and join them to get a line parallel to the base. Once you have done this, your figure is ready to be calculated. So now in the acute angle triangle, after drawing the line, measure AP, PB, AQ, QC and mark the values. Repeat the activity with a right angle triangle. Cut a right angle triangle and paste it on a ruled paper so that the base of the triangle rests on one of the lines of the ruled paper. And join any 2 points of the lines which exist on the ruled paper to get the line parallel to the base. Measure the sides AP, PB, AQ and QC. Now repeat the same activity with an obtuse angle triangle. Again, find the measurements of AP, PB, AQ and QC. Record all the values in an observation table which is provided here. Acute angle triangle, the measurements of the segments. Same way right angle triangle, mark down the measurements of the segments and for the obtuse angle triangle. Now find the ratio between AP and PB. Mark it as AP by PB equal to, find the value in decimals. Same way AQ by QC, find the value in decimals. Repeat it for right angle triangle, AP by PB, get the value in decimals, and AQ by QC, get the value in decimals, and do it again for the obtuse angle triangle. Why do we convert the ratio into decimals? When you look at these ratios, you will not be able to identify whether the values are equal or not. So when you convert to decimals, you will identify that the ratios happen to be the same. At least up to 2 places of decimal, the ratios are supposed to be equal to confirm that the activity is proved. Now the inferences in the acute angle triangle, AP by PB equal to AQ by QC, and similarly in the other 2 triangles which have been checked. So The result is, in all the three cases, basic proportionality theorem is verified.